Hey everybody, this is Jake with Jake Shady Repair. We're not going to mess with the lawnmower or weed eater today, but we are going to put together a barber chair. Let's get to it.
Down on Main Street, there's a crooked old sign, Jake Shady Repair, in faded red lines. Bring your lawnmower, your weed whacker too. He'll fix it with duct tape and a preacher's truth. Go Jake, with a wrench in his hand, he's a pastor on Sunday, a strong working man. Lifting up prayers, lifting up steel, he'll save your mower and your soul in one deal. He's got grease on his collar, sweat on his brow, Bible in the toolbox, ready right now. Bench pressing engines, faith never tires, pushing that gospel like he's pumping them tires.